Welcome to The Explainer. Today we're diving into something that almost always gets pushed to the very bottom of the backlog, but is actually a total secret weapon for your developer experience. We are talking about intentional aesthetics. We're going to look at how you can completely transform your coding environment, and by extension, your entire team's productivity, just by moving away from those basic default settings. To kick things off, there's this really fantastic quote from our source material today that perfectly sets the stage. It says, "Programming is an art and a science, and while we often focus on things like performance and integrations, there's something else that deserves attention: aesthetics." Now, I know what you might be thinking. Aesthetics? Isn't that just vanity? But I want to challenge that idea right out of the gate. The way our tools look and feel has a massive, measurable impact on our coding stamina, our comfort, and our ability to focus during those marathon sessions. It's honestly so much more than just a fresh coat of paint.
Think about it. When you first boot up Visual Studio Code, it greets you with a default theme. And it's nice, sure, but it is pretty basic. It really begs the question, why on earth would you settle for the default when you have the power to customize? Okay, let's dive into this and look at exactly how different colors, contrasts, and typographies can totally rejuvenate your IDE.
So here is our roadmap for today. We'll quickly cover 1. The productivity of aesthetics, 2. Themes for developer focus, 3. Designing for eye strain, 4. A step-by-step theme tutorial, and finally, 5. Scaling all of this to your team's velocity. All right, Section 1. The productivity of aesthetics. Let's see how this goes way beyond just looks.
Look, your code editor isn't just a text box, right? It is literally your primary workspace. And according to our sources, a well-chosen VS Code theme does 3 absolutely vital things. It enhances readability, it noticeably reduces eye strain, and frankly, it just makes coding genuinely enjoyable. Think about it like this. Different colors and contrast choices actually help your eyes quickly skim through thousands of lines of code. When syntax highlighting is optimized for your specific visual preferences, your brain is spending way less energy just deciphering the text, which leaves more energy for solving the actual engineering problem. You are drastically reducing your cognitive load simply by picking the right colors.
Let's move to Section 2 and see how this builds into themes for developer focus, looking at some curated showcases.
Take this concept called texture healing, for example. This is a feature of a highly popular theme and font family called Monospace. It draws from those traditional monospace typefaces of the old teletype machine era, giving you 5 different fonts and 3 variable axes. But the true innovation here is texture healing. It's like a giant puzzle. It actually optimizes the spacing within the monospaced grid to even out the density of the characters. So it beautifully adjusts narrow and wide characters on the fly while still preserving that classic monospaced look. It's a perfect blend of tradition and modern readability.
And Monospace is really just the tip of the iceberg. Our sources highlight several diverse aesthetic families that are trending heavily right now. For example, if you want a really soothing environment, you have pastel calm themes like Capuchin, which uses these beautiful, creamy pastel colors, or Matcha, which brings a sort of cottagecore vibe with earthy greens and gray tones. If you prefer working in the dark, space and night themes like Houston give you cosmos-inspired cool blues, while Tokyo Night mimics a sleek, neon nighttime skyline. For those who absolutely hate visual noise, minimalist themes like Ayu and Dainty strip away all the excess. And if you need elements to really pop, high-contrast themes like Dracula and Adam 1 Dark use bold, vibrant colors to make your syntax incredibly distinct. Literally, there's a perfect fit out there for every single developer's brain.
Moving right along to Section 3, Designing for Eye Strain. This is the accessibility angle.
Now, this is where aesthetics transition into tangible, physical health benefits and accessibility tools. When we contrast standard defaults with accessible themes, the differences are striking. Take the GitHub theme, for instance, and this brilliantly illustrates our point. It doesn't just lazily mirror the website's colors, it actually includes specific built-in support for various forms of color blindness. It ensures that everyone on the team can code comfortably. Similarly, VS Code's built-in high-contrast theme is an absolute lifesaver for enhancing visibility and reducing glare, which seriously minimizes eye strain during those extended coding marathons.
And honestly, we can't talk about eye strain without talking about blue light. Our sources point out the Night Owl theme, which was crafted specifically with a color palette totally focused on reducing blue light. Since blue light actively suppresses melatonin and drastically increases eye fatigue, managing it is a critical strategy, especially for developers pulling late shifts. It helps you maintain your focus for hours on end without that harsh glare completely ruining your sleep rhythms.
Okay, Section 4. A step-by-step theme tutorial. Let's talk about actually customizing VS Code.
The process is incredibly simple, but knowing these shortcuts keeps you right in your flow state. And hey, standardizing these settings can even make screen sharing and pair programming with your team that much smoother. So, step 1, open your color theme picker. If you're on a Mac, you just hit Command-K, then Command-T. On Windows, it's Control-K, then Control-T. Step 2, once that menu pops open, just use your up and down arrow keys to browse through your installed themes. As you scroll, VS Code helpfully gives you a live preview in the background. And finally, step 3, when you find the one that feels right, just press enter. The whole shebang applies to your workspace instantly.
Now, if you're the kind of dev who wants total control and needs to know what's happening under the hood, this is for you. When you install and apply a new theme, VS Code is actually storing those preferences in your user settings, specifically within your settings.json file. It's modifying a setting called workbench.colortheme. You can jump directly into that JSON file if you want to make even more detailed, granular customizations to your environment. You can even generate your very own custom color theme straight from your current settings. Which brings us to Section 5. So, the crucial point is scaling to team velocity. We're moving from the individual right up to the team level. We've optimized your personal workspace, right? But to truly ship code faster, we have to scale that exact efficiency. While a gorgeous theme like Tokyo Night or Cappuccino optimizes you, the individual, you need to seamlessly integrate source control and collaboration tools directly into that beautiful space to optimize your team. Our sources clearly point out that while you're dialing in your colors and fonts, you should be enhancing that exact same environment with tools like GitLens and the broader GitKraken DevX platform.
Because these tools live right inside your newly themed editor. GitLens provides these incredibly insightful annotations, like inline git claim, so you know exactly who changed what without ever breaking your focus. And the broader GitKraken DevX platform supercharges this even further. We're talking about bringing visual commit graphs, code maps, seamless merge conflict resolution, and even AI-assisted code review right into the editor you just perfectly customized. It beautifully bridges the gap between individual comfort and serious team collaboration.
Which leaves us with a pretty massive question to wrap up this explainer. Take a look at your current IDE. Look at your team's current source control workflow. How much faster could your team ship if every single individual's environment was truly built for their specific visual and cognitive needs, while still being seamlessly connected to powerful team collaboration tools? Don't just settle for the default. Take a few minutes today, use the shortcuts we covered, find your perfect theme, and build the workspace you actually deserve. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and happy coding.